Okay, we're here in my Lisianthus patch, which is right on the verge, or actually you can see the first bud, which we don't cut. We don't count that when it's so far down in the plant. It's the center cut, I guess you'd call it. Anyway, I wanted to tell you why you see black landscape cloth on these pathways. Perhaps one of the greatest gifts of Lisianthus is reblooming in the fall. However, it's a real job to keep them weed free because they just don't bush out like other plants do. So having this black film eliminates weeds in the pathway, unlike, I'm going to show you over here. This is what we always used to do, is mulch. And you can see that weeds grow along the edge. And in a perfect world, these would get pulled, but all flower farmers know that's not the way farming works. So I have just learned that we use BioTello in the beds. That's what's down in there. You can't really see it. And then we use landscape cloth in between, and it just makes for a more weed-free garden, which means we have a better chance of getting Lizzie's again in the fall. And this is a gorgeous stand of Lisianthus, June 25th or 26th or 27th, one of those, 2016.